Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss the day 1 for term 1 of week 1 in Science 9, net force and state of motion. For this whole week, we are going to discuss about the law of inertia. Okay, objectives. Identify and describe the 5 common forces. We have gravity, normal force, friction, applied force, and air resistance using real-life application. Show appreciation of how forces affect everyday life like walking, driving, playing sports, falling objects, and compute and write the net force clearly in the force detective worksheet and classify each scenario as balanced or unbalanced. Okay, for motivational activity, let us answer these questions. Number 1, a ripe apple falling from a tree to the ground. Blank pulls the apple downward toward earth. Okay, what is the force involved? Okay, that is gravity. Rubbing hands together. What is the force involved? Okay, friction. A book resting on top of a table. Okay, normal force. A student pushing a shopping cart forward. Okay, applied force. A skydiver opening a parachute and slowing down. Okay, air resistance. A person standing still. Balance forces. A soccer ball being kicked and starting to move. Okay, unbalanced forces. Tug of war showing unequal forces. Okay, that is net force. When a bus suddenly stops, passengers move forward. Okay, that is inertia. A car moving straight at the same speed for several seconds. Okay, constant velocity. Okay, let us study this scenario. An airplane flies at a constant velocity. Imagine a commercial airplane cruising high above the clouds at a steady speed in a straight direction. Okay, guide question. Is gravity acting on the airplane? Okay, the answer is yes. Gravity is always acting on objects near Earth. The Earth continuously pulls the airplane downward with a force called weight. Even though the airplane is high in the sky, gravity is still present. Gravity does not disappear just because the plane is moving. Okay, number 2, why doesn't it fall? Okay, because lift balances gravity. Okay, the lift is the upward force. Okay, what is the net force acting on the airplane? The zero N or Newton, there are actually 4 forces acting on the airplane. We have gravity, the downward. The lift is the upward. The thrust is the forward. And then the drag is the backward. When the airplane moves at constant velocity. So meaning, the net force is 0 because it is traveling at constant velocity. Okay, the lift is equals to the gravity. Thrust is drag. Since all forces are balanced, the net force equals 0. Net force is 0 N or Newton. Okay, the unit of force is Newton. Another one, number 4. Is its motion changing? Okay, no. Constant velocity means speed is not changing. Direction is not also changing. So, yun ang condition. Kapag 0 yung net force in a moving object, speed is not changing, direction is not changing. Meaning, this is not accelerating. Okay, according to Isaac Newton, first law of motion, an object will remain at constant velocity unless acted upon by an unbalanced force, or ang tinatawag dyan na unbalanced force is the net force. Since the net force is 0, there is no acceleration. The airplane keeps moving steadily. So net force and the state of motion. What is a force? A force is a push or a pull that can, number 1, start motion, stop motion, change speed, change direction. So, yun palang kayang gawin ng force. It can start motion, stop motion, change speed, and change direction. Example, pushing a shopping cart, pulling a door open, kicking a ball, gravity pulling objects downward. Okay, forces are measured in Newton. Okay, the unit of force, tandaan natin, Newton or N. Common forces, we have gravity, a force that pulls objects toward the earth. Always acts downward. Example, when you drop a book, gravity pulls it down. Okay, the next one is the normal force, the support force from a surface. Always perpendicular or upward from flat surface. When I say perpendicular, that is forming 90 degrees from the surface. Example, a table pushing up on a book. The table pushes up the book on the book, which is much forces as the downward weight of the book. So the book lying on the table compresses atoms in the table and they squeeze upward on the book. The compressed atoms produce the support force. If you place a book on the table, gravity pulls down. table pushes up or the normal force. So, kumbaga magkaibang direction po yung normal force and then the gravity. The book stays at rest because forces are balanced. Kumbaga, the normal force and then the gravity, they are in opposite direction. They have a balanced forces. Okay, another one, friction, a force that causes motion between surfaces in contact, acts opposite in direction of motion. Example, sliding a box across the floor. The acceleration is going downward, and then the sliding friction is going upward, or it opposes the motion of the object. Applied force, a force applied by a person or an object. Example, pushing a chair. Okay, air resistance, a type of friction between air and a moving object. Opposes motion. So, isang uri din ito ng friction po, kaya tinatawag ito na it also opposes motion, the air resistance or the air friction. Example of parachute is slowing down a skydiver. Ayan, yung weight pababa, the smaller resulting force pababa. Ang kumukontra kung bakit mabagal yung pagbaba is the air resistance. What is net force? Net force is equals to the sum of all forces acting on an object. So, kung ilang mga forces yan at different directions, so, ang kukunin natin dyan para makuha yung is the opposing direction. It determines whether motion changes. In case number 1, net force is 0, meaning this is balanced forces. Forces are equal in the opposite. Bakit tinawag ko yung na opposite? Equal in magnitude or in amount, but opposite in direction. That is net force. Result, no acceleration kapag balance ang net force or balance ang forces, 0 net force. No acceleration. Object remains at rest or continues at constant velocity. Kung naka-rest siya, rest lang siya, balance force. Pero kung gumagalaw siya at constant velocity, constant direction, that is also 0 net force. Okay, example, a book resting on a table, balance po dyan yung gravity, which is 10 Newton downward, and then the normal force in the surface of the table is the 10 Newton upward. So the net force is 0. The book does not move. So, balance ang kanyang forces. Case number 2, net force is not equal to 0. So, unbalanced forces. Forces are not equal. Result, acceleration happens. Speed or direction changes. So, example, you push a 10 kilogram box with 20 Newton force. So, friction is 5 Newton force. So, ang galaw pa rin niya, the net force is 15. So, forward kasi mas mataas yung force going forward. So, i-deduct lang natin yung friction or the opposing force. The total net force is 15 Newton. So, the box accelerates. Okay, for individual activity, the title of the activity is Analyze the Forces. Instructions, read each situation carefully. Identify the forces acting on the object. Determine if forces are balanced or unbalanced. Calculate the net force if values are given. State what will happen to the motion. A book rests on a table. The gravity is 15 Newton downward. The normal force is 15 Newton upward. So what will be the net force? So okay, what forces are acting? Okay, we have the gravity and normal force. Is the net force 0 or not? Okay, the answer should be 0. Is the object moving? Okay, no. O, tingnan natin. Sa number 2, kayo naman ang sasagot dito. A student pushes a box with 30 Newton force and the friction is equal to 10 Newton. So, ang tanong, what is the net force? So, kayo nang sumagot niyan. Ilan ang net force? Are forces balanced or unbalanced? So, masasagot nyo itong letter B kapag nakuha nyo na yung sagot sa net force. Kasi kapag 0, that is balanced. So, kapag hindi 0, that is unbalanced. So, what happens to the box? Gagalaw o hindi? Makukuha nyo kapag nasagot nyo na yung letter A. Okay, situation number 3, a car moves at constant speed. The thrust is 50 Newton. The air resistance is 50 Newton. So the question, what is the net force? Is acceleration happening? What does this show about Newton's first law? So ayan. Kaya nang sumagot po dun sa situation 2, 3 at dito sa number 4. A soccer ball is kicked with 40 Newton force to the right. The air resistance is 5 Newton to the left. So, ang question dun sa number 4, what is the net force? Letter B, will the ball speed up, slow down, or stay the same? Is this balanced or unbalanced? Yan. So, next, sagutan na natin itong evaluation question. A force is blank, a type of energy, a push or pull, a speed, a mass. Okay, the answer is letter B, a push or pull. Which force pulls objects down toward Earth? Okay, gravity. Number 3. The support force from a surface is called normal force. Friction acts blank. Oppose motion in the direction of motion, upward only, downward only. Okay, it opposed motion. If net force equals 0, the object blank speeds up, tumilis, bumagal, nagbago ng direction, or no motion, does not change motion. Balance forces means net force is not equal to 0, net force is equals to 0, object must move, there is no gravity. Okay, the answer, the net force should be 0. A 20 Newton force pushes right and 5 friction acts left. The net force is blank. Okay, ilan? Okay, 15 Newton right. When forces are unbalanced, okay, acceleration of force. An object at rest will stay at rest unless unbalanced force acts. Okay, forces are measured in what? What is the unit of force? Okay, tandaan nyo na yan, that is Newton.